Good morning, students. Today we are going to start our new poem, Keeping Quiet. Keeping quiet. Most of the time, you have heard this word in your classroom. Most of the time, a teacher uses this word, keep quiet, keep quiet. But what you all are doing at that time, sitting only idle. In this poem, we are getting some message, some an universal appeal is there by Pablo Neruda. Okay, so the poet Pablo Neruda. Pablo Neruda, born on 12 July 1904 and died on 23rd September 1973. And the most important thing is to be noted over here that this poem was published after his death. Keeping Quiet was published after his death. So about the poet Pablo Neruda. 12 July 1904, 23rd September 1973 was the pen name. His real name was Ricardo and was a pen name and later legal name of this famous Chilean poet, diplomat, politician. He won the Nobel Prize for Literature in the year 1971. He wrote in green ink. Point to be noted that he wrote in green ink, which was his personal symbol for desire and hope. Means he used to write the poem for desire and hope, and for that he used green ink. His writings are simple, wherein lies their beauty. Originally written in Spanish, the essence of this poem was originally written in Spanish. The essence of this poem is based on introspection, self introspection, and retrospection. The poet feels that some soul searching is needed for us to be at peace with ourselves and others. So, students, it is the fact, and it is true in the modern context. How? See, we all are running in a greedy race. We all are running in a greedy race. We don't have the time to think for our family members. We don't have the time to think for the environment, for the nature, and see, the war which is going on now, the war which was going on before, the main reason behind is that we don't have the time. We don't have time to create the mutual understanding. So this poem suggests us to do your self introspection. Suppose a friend fights with you, you always blame on him or he always blame on you, but you never thinks, but you never think to make the good relation with him. Okay, so when I'm going to explain the poem, then I'll tell you the basics what we need in our life. So the theme is a plea to mankind, a plea to mankind, universal appeal, and universal appeal to you all. What? To question the way we move through our lives without pausing or caring for the world around us. It is a real fact. Those who like to earn money from forests, they are creating deforestation. Someone is busy in taking bribes. Someone is hampering education system. Someone is hampering medical system. So see, everywhere this is going on. And the suffering of nature, the world and other people. So, Keeping Quiet is a simple poem about the need for a little bit of soul searching. Little bit of soul searching is required everywhere, which may help us to make peace with ourselves and others. Suppose, in case if we are putting unless burden on someone, then we have to think why are we putting unless burden, useless burden on someone. It tells us how a moment of silent introspection will make us realize the utter of our aggressive endeavors. In most of the time, I suggest people to write your diary. Why? Or analyze yourself at night that what activities do you do in your whole day. Okay. So at a time you will realize the main thing is that how much effort are you putting to make yourself good. It is required in this poem. Keeping quiet is not necessary for only one person. It is necessary for everyone. The title is very, you can say, unique and very different. Keeping quiet. Keeping quiet means after keeping quiet, what can we do? But I can assure you, if you remain silent for some time, if you do your self introspection, then definitely something something best will be come out from us. So we can take the example of the earth also. I'll explain you in this poem, Earth. In the winter season, the earth covers with what? Earth covers with, you can say, ice everywhere. But after winter season, we can see flowers blooms everywhere. Flowers bloom everywhere in the spring season. So the message of the poem is keeping quiet leaves a message of the universal brotherhood and peace. It urges people to stop all sorts of aggression, including that towards the environment. Okay, if we think of ourselves as the hands of the clock on the face of this earth, moving in our routine ways. If we think of ourselves as the hands of the clock on the face of this earth, moving in our routine ways, won't it be a good thing to stop at 12 and do some introspection? Suppose in case you all are busy every time, but as a clock, two, you can say two strike of the two needles of the clock meet at 12 o'clock. In the same way, you have to pause for some time in a day. And why 12 only? This poem starts with the line, what? This, now we will count to 12 and we will all keep still for once on the face of the earth. Let's not speak in any language. Let's stop for 1 second. So the starting of the poem is what? Now we will count to 12. Why only 12? Because 12 is a symbol of month. Okay, 12 is a symbol of month. Poet urges humanity to remain silent for the duration of 12 counts. So I'll explain you this poem. In this poem, Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. So students, be ready tomorrow with your text, with your poem, keeping quiet. Okay, so basic idea we have got in this poem, what Neruda talks about the necessity of quiet introspection and creating a feeling of mutual understanding among human beings. But it can be possible when you do your self introspection. And when can you do your self introspection? When you remain silent, when you will get some time to be silent. जब आपको कुछ टाइम मिलेगा तभी आप साइलेंट रहोगे, and then only you can do your self introspection, then you can develop mutual understanding and all. So go through the poem, go through the theme that I have sent for you in the PDF, okay, about the poet, and tomorrow we will start the paraphrase of this poem, Keeping Quiet. Thank you. Have a nice day.